Odù Ika Meji, the Odù of personal power, deception and resilience. Ika Meji is a complex and intense Odù that addresses the dual nature of human power, its capacity for creation, protection and abundance, as well as its potential for destruction, deceit and self-sabotage. It is an Odù that challenges individuals to confront the forces of wickedness and negativity, both internal and external, while also offering pathways to resilience, transformation, and the mastery of one's destiny. The essence of Ika Meji. The energy of Ika Meji revolves around the gathering and direction of personal power, ace. This Odù emphasizes the power of words, intentions, and actions, and how these can manifest either harmony or disaster. Ika Meji warns against the misuse of this power through gossip, deceit, and negative thoughts, which can attract malevolent forces and disrupt the querent's life. At the same time, it offers guidance on how to harness this power positively, fostering growth, resilience, and spiritual transformation. Key Orishas in Ika Meji. Orisha Òṣanyìn. Òṣanyìn, the Orisha of cycles, transformation, and the rainbow, embodies the themes of change and renewal in Ika Meji. His connection to the serpent symbolizes both the danger of poison and the potential for healing and rebirth. Orisha Yiwa. Yiwa, associated with the sacred and hidden, governs the mysteries of death and the afterlife. Her presence in Ika Meji reflects the themes of secrecy, protection, and the need to honor boundaries and taboos. Orisha Oki, the mountain. Oki represents resilience, stability, and the strength to withstand adversity. His story of standing firm despite attacks mirrors the challenges of Ika Meji, urging individuals to remain grounded and true to themselves in the face of opposition. Key myths of Ika Meji. The venom of the serpent. In Ika Meji, the snake receives its venom, symbolizing the dual nature of power. It can protect and heal, or it can harm and destroy. This myth teaches the importance of using power wisely and responsibly. Oki's descent to earth. Oki, the mountain, descended to earth through Ika Meji, embodying resilience and immovability. Despite being surrounded by enemies, Oki remained steadfast, teaching that strength and perseverance are essential in overcoming challenges. The birth of word magic, Oro. Oro, the power of words and their ability to manifest reality, was born in Ika Meji. This emphasizes the importance of speaking with intention and integrity, as words can shape both personal and collective destinies. The meaning of Ika Meji in Ire, blessings. In Ire, Ika Meji signifies the successful gathering and direction of personal power toward positive outcomes. It brings resilience, stability, and the ability to overcome adversities. The querent is advised to focus on truth, humility, and constructive use of words and actions. Health. In Ire, Ika Meji supports healing and recovery, particularly from conditions affecting the abdomen, legs, and mental health. Wealth. Financial burdens are eased and opportunities for success and abundance become available. Offerings to Esu Odera and Òṣanyìn can help solidify these blessings. Relationships. Ika Meji fosters understanding and harmony in relationships when approached with humility and respect for boundaries. The meaning of Ika Meji in Òṣogbo, adversity. In Òṣogbo, Ika Meji warns of betrayal, deceit, and self-sabotage. The querent may face hidden enemies, false friends, or internal struggles that undermine their progress. This Odù emphasizes the need for vigilance, introspection, and spiritual cleansing to counteract these influences. Health. Potential issues include abdominal disorders, mental instability, and conditions related to stress and negativity. Rituals involving water and offerings to Yiwa or Òṣanyìn can aid in restoration. Wealth. Financial difficulties may arise due to envy or poor decision-making. the querent is advised to avoid arrogance and focus on humility and gratitude. Relationships. Conflict and mistrust may dominate, especially if gossip or dishonesty is present. Ika Meji warns against neglecting emotional boundaries and encourages open, honest communication. Core areas of life in Ika Meji. Personal power and growth. Ika Meji is deeply connected to the cultivation of personal power. It emphasizes the importance of using this power constructively, avoiding negative thoughts and actions that can attract malevolent forces. Protection and resilience. This Odù teaches resilience in the face of adversity, symbolized by the mountain oki. It advises the querent to remain grounded and steadfast, seeking protection through rituals and spiritual practices. Transformation and healing. The transformative energy of Òṣanyìn in Ika Meji highlights the potential for healing and renewal. This Odù encourages the querent to embrace change and seek spiritual growth through introspection and self-discipline. Relationships and community. Ika Meji warns against deceit and betrayal in relationships. It calls for honesty, humility, and respect for others, emphasizing that trust must be earned and maintained through consistent actions. Spiritual awareness. This Odù emphasizes the power of words and intentions in shaping reality. It encourages the querent to align their thoughts and actions with their higher self, avoiding negativity and focusing on positive manifestations. Symbolism and lessons in Ika Meji. The serpent represents the dual nature of power, its potential for harm and healing. The mountain oki symbolizes resilience and the strength to endure challenges. The word oro highlights the power of speech and the importance of integrity and intention. These symbols underscore the central lesson of Ika Meji, the need to cultivate personal power with wisdom and humility, using it to create harmony and resilience rather than discord and destruction. Recommendations. Avoid gossip, deceit, and negative thoughts, as these attract malevolent forces. Use spiritual cleansing and protective rituals to guard against hidden enemies and negativity. Focus on humility and integrity, particularly in speech and actions. Conclusion. Ika Meji is an Odù of profound lessons and challenges. It reveals the consequences of misusing personal power and the importance of resilience, integrity, and spiritual awareness. Whether in Ire or Òṣogbo, this Odù offers valuable guidance on how to navigate life's complexities and transform adversity into growth and abundance. Ashe.